All right, so the question today is, can the Milwaukee M18 mower with 2 of the 3 amp hour high output batteries handle your typical suburban yard that's about 260 square yards? We're going to find out. Actually, we just found out because I just got done with it, and yes, it can.
So this is an experiment I've been wanting to do since we got the mower a little over a month ago. Has it been a month? This is the one that we did the Milwaukee hack at Home Depot. Got it for $5.99, which is a fantastic price. The only thing with this is that it came with the older 12 amp hour high output batteries instead of the Forges. But I'm not going to complain. $5.99 is still a great deal for this mower, getting the 2 12 amp hour batteries. So this morning is actually going to be a pretty good test because it's the first official mow of the season here in St. Louis. We've been getting a lot of rain the last few weeks, so I haven't really been able to get out here and mow at all. So this is the first one, and you can see the grass is fairly thick enough. We got some bare areas, but a good test nonetheless with the 2 3 amp hour high output batteries. Now we're not going to have you go in real time and have you guys watch the entire video like this, so I sped it up 8 times. So just so that you can see there's not any smoke and mirrors and fancy editing, because I do want to show that the 3 amp hour batteries are plenty for a yard of this size, which I think is kind of typical for your suburban yards out there, about 260 to 300 square yards, right? So we bagged the lawn this time around, and I think I ended up getting 2 bags worth from this particular mow session. And then what I like to do with all my clippings and stuff is take it around the house and use it kind of as a weed suppressor among the bushes and flowers and plants that we have. So usually the first month or so of the spring season is when I use the grass to kind of use that as a mulch to kind of tame down the weeds. Now, when I was thinking about doing this test, I actually didn't think that the 3 amp hour batteries would go for as long as I need it to for the front lawn. I figured I would get probably halfway through or so. But I think that with the if you're already on the Milwaukee battery set and you've got the high output batteries, you're going to get the 12 amp hour batteries no matter what when you get the mower with the whole kit that you get. Some people, I guess, just get the mower without the batteries, I guess. But if you live kind of in a suburban area, the 2 12 amp hour batteries, in addition to whatever pair of other high output batteries that you should have plenty.
All right, so can 2 3 amp hour high output batteries handle your typical suburban yard? Again, about 260 square yards. And we have 2 lights left. There's your 3 amp hour high output batteries. And then we are on 4. So that is good news.